everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Jamila. Today's video we're going to be making half cakes the Ugandan style. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. I have some all-purpose flour, sugar, milk, butter, cooking oil, some baking powder, salt, vanilla essence, and lemon zest. Someone in my house has just asked me what is the difference between mandazi and half cakes, and I hadn't thought about it, but the difference is that mandazi is smaller and the half cakes are a little bit bigger. But I also want to show you that as an explanation, to show you the difference, because I already have a video on mandazi. Now I'm bringing you a video on half cakes. Today I'm going to be making the half cakes in a baking machine, but if you don't have one, you can use your hands. First, I'm going to add in my flour here in the bowl. Let's say I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together. So this is flour, I'm adding in some sugar, and I'm going to write the exact amount of measurements in the description box. This is baking powder. You can use baking soda, but since I didn't have baking soda, I doubled on my baking powder. I'm putting in salt. And the next part, I'm going to add in my butter and some oil. I'm going to add in my milk little by little. After adding in the milk, I'm going to add in the vanilla essence and lemon zest. And I'm going to mix this until everything is smooth. With baking or doing anything with flour, I'm never satisfied with how much flour they write or they use on the recipes. So usually I add in flour little by little or milk little by little to see, but I've just added in a little bit more flour. So I've transferred my dough back here like the old ways, you know. So here is the dough ready. I'm going to let it rest for 15 minutes and then I'm going to come back and shape my half cakes and deep fry them. I'm back again with our dough. And I'm just going to form shapes, actually. Roll it out and form shapes. Since I don't want to spoil our countertop, I'm going to be cutting the dough from the board. But first I have to put some flour here. And then I transfer. So I'm just going to cut shapes. How the half cakes are looking like golden brown. This is the finished product. Let me show you inside. It's this soft but crunchy on the outside. That you have to taste yourself. I cannot explain crunchy. But while I was also tasting the half cakes, I remember the difference between the half cakes and the mandazi. Half cakes are soft inside and crunch on the outside, while the mandazi, they are soft on the outside and inside. That is the difference. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.